I usually go to that one. I'm going to go to this other one and see if I...
What kind of car wash is it? Bro.
It's Tommy's Car Wash.
Bro, seriously? Learn how to use a roundabout. You yield to the person in the lane. Jesus Christ. He just went right across. Didn't even, like, blink.
Sancho and I slap her down. But I really want to know, baby, what I really want to say.
What the was that? Jesus Christ! Oh, all the confusion.
Yeah.
Literally.
I can now. Good luck, everyone.
So dangerous. We've all overcorrected, Richard.
Well, exactly, yes.
All overcorrected. Especially if you're laughing, you're not expecting it.
Let he who has not overcorrected cast the first stone.
Right. Can you do a little news bulletin jingle? I'm sure you.
Oh.
You're able to summon something along.
You're like, what?
Go ahead.
I mean, you go, but Jesus.
God. Whoa!
I'm gonna make that right. Oh no.
Crash out truck incoming. So is this lady in my lane? Or she's gonna make it right? Another crash out. Hey, that was wow.
He almost did like a whole trick.
Are you guys alright?
What is that truck doing, dude? Are you kidding me, man? That is crazy. Jesus!
Talk about it here on your exclusive home for Phillies baseball.
I think we're a much better club than we played, and so we make some decisions that are tough at times.
Sports Radio 95B.
With Instacart's preference picker, you can choose how you want your deli meat sliced. And
He's trying to drive his car, so it's weird. It's a blue Honda.
This is not a road. This is not a lane. All right. You go there.
Then there was the siege of Bamako, when Jinyan spent months strangling the capital's supply lines by burning fuel tankers and setting up checkpoints on the roads connecting Mali to Senegal, Mauritania, Guinea and Ivory Coast. By October 2025, the government had declared a shutdown of schools and universities as the fuel crisis worsened. The fact that the capital city of a nation under besieged, like terrorists, illustrates just how poorly the Russians were doing. But it's not just in Mali. Despite the presence of Russian forces, about 60% of the country remains in the hands of terrorists, according to the 2020.
Good job. Come on. Don't do a U-turn here, genius.
I had a man tell me one thing. He came up.
The numbers, they told part of the story. Over 3,500 passing yards, more than 40 touchdowns, a completion percentage of over 70. But the other part of the story was the moments. The situations where the games got really tight, but Mendoza, cool, calm, and collected. The Penn State game comes to mind.
Yeah, what a season it's been for Kirk Cignetti. Once again, he has the position to, this time, go to the Big Ten championship game. And one reason they're playing well is their quarterback, Fernando Mendoza.
With the game slipping and the clock working against him, he took over.
So Indiana, no timeouts.
They must be invisible.
What?
The guy was hidden.
What?
The guy was hidden.
Why would it come off loose? Whoa! Are you serious? The car just went through a red light. A police car is right behind. Like, what the?
I need you to save me when I ask you for safety. When it all gets too crazy, when all I really want is you to say, you got it, you got it. All I need is you to take the way. You got it always. Can you stick around and hold me down when I can't keep my together?
I think over the last 18 months there have been a lot of heartfelt speeches from the Prime Minister and others and not a lot of action. So you actually have to name this problem and then have a plan throughout our arms of government to and not put our head in the sand, or in the case of some police forces and some other institutions that actually be putting the Islamists on the inside of the tent.
I'm ready to rain on me. Drop out, at least I'm alone. Rain on me, rain on me, rain. Drop
Yeah, she finished the whole bottle.
Sweetie.
She thinks it was the man.
Yeah, you go.
Oh, her car's off. She can't go. Oh, no, that's not working. Once it blows, it's over with, right?
Yeah.